Dementia is a huge health problem that scares many people around the world, and most individuals think that this is a condition that can only affect older adults, but younger people can develop it too. The key to protecting your brain from dementia isn't hidden in a pill or a brain game, but in your muscles. That's right. The way you use and take advantage of your muscles could be the very thing that saves you from one of the most feared brain conditions. And the benefits go far beyond just physical appearance. Today, you'll understand exactly why building muscle can protect your brain and drastically lower your risk of dementia. Welcome to Levitas. Let's dive right into it. Dementia is one of the leading causes of disability and dependency among older adults. But what exactly is it, and how can your muscles play a role in prevention? Dementia is a term for a group of cognitive impairments that affect memory, thinking, and decision-making. The most common form is Alzheimer's disease, followed by vascular dementia, which is often caused by reduced blood flow to the brain. Other types include Lewy body dementia and frontotemporal dementia. These conditions progressively affect brain function, leading to difficulties in daily life. While each type has unique characteristics, they share common factors, such as brain inflammation, oxidative stress, and neuron damage. But here's the important part. Many of these risk factors can be influenced by the health of your muscles. The risk of developing dementia is influenced by a combination of genetic, lifestyle, and environmental factors. Age is the biggest risk factor, but other contributors include poor cardiovascular health, obesity, diabetes, physical inactivity, smoking, and high blood pressure. Chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and insulin resistance are also linked to cognitive decline. What's striking is that many of these factors can be managed or even reversed by improving muscle mass and overall physical health. And this is where your muscles come in, not just for strength, but as a shield for your brain. When we think of muscles, we often think of strength, but muscles are also a metabolic powerhouse. Regular muscle activity plays a critical role in cardiovascular health and insulin sensitivity, both of which directly impact brain health. First, let's talk about cardiovascular health. Strong, active muscles require a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients, which encourages blood vessels to become more flexible and efficient. This means improved circulation, reduced blood pressure, and a healthier heart, all factors that reduce the risk of dementia. As your muscles work harder, they pump more blood to your brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients essential for optimal brain function. Now, let's look at insulin resistance. Insulin resistance occurs when your body's cells stop responding effectively to insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Over time, this can damage blood vessels and reduce blood flow to the brain, increasing the risk of cognitive decline. But here's the good news. Your muscles are the body's biggest reservoir for glucose. When you use your muscles, they soak up glucose from your bloodstream, improving insulin sensitivity and lowering your risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a major risk factor for dementia. Exercise, particularly resistance training, has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and metabolic health. This not only helps to manage blood sugar levels, but also reduces inflammation, a key driver of both cardiovascular disease and cognitive decline. In other words, the more you use your muscles, the better you protect your heart and brain from conditions that contribute to dementia. But the benefits of muscle mass extend beyond just improving circulation and insulin sensitivity. Muscles themselves release powerful signaling molecules called myokines, which communicate directly with the brain. These myokines help reduce inflammation, promote neuron growth, and even protect against oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to cognitive decline. One particularly important myokine is brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, often referred to as the fertilizer for the brain. BDNF helps to maintain and grow neurons, improve synaptic plasticity, and protect against brain shrinkage, all of which are vital for preserving cognitive function as we age. In fact, studies have shown that individuals with greater muscle mass tend to have better memory and cognitive function as they age. Muscle tissue acts like an organ of its own, secreting substances that not only benefit the body, but also support brain health. This means that building muscle isn't just about looking fit, it's also about maintaining a sharp and resilient brain. So, what kinds of exercises should you focus on to reap these brain-boosting benefits? The key lies in a combination of resistance training, cardio, and regular movement throughout the day. Resistance training, such as weightlifting or using resistance bands, is crucial for building and maintaining muscle mass. Aim to work out major muscle groups like legs, arms, and back, at least 2 to 3 times per week. Start with lighter weights and work your way up, focusing on controlled, full-range movements. This type of exercise has been shown to increase BDNF levels, directly benefiting the brain. Cardio exercise, such as walking, jogging, or cycling, is equally important. Cardio improves cardiovascular health, enhances blood flow to the brain, and boosts overall endurance. Try to get at least 180 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week. This can be broken down into 30-minute sessions, 6 times a week. Walking, we know it sounds simple, but don't underestimate the power of daily walking. Even low-impact activities like walking have been shown to improve circulation, reduce stress, and stimulate the release of beneficial chemicals in the brain. Walk for at least 60 minutes a day, whether it's a brisk morning walk or a relaxing stroll in the evening. The combination of these exercises ensures that you're strengthening your muscles, improving your heart health, and directly supporting your brain, all while reducing your risk of dementia. Now, how does muscle mass specifically affect dementia? Simply put, the more muscle mass you have, the better equipped your body is to handle the challenges of aging, including those that affect the brain. Research shows that individuals with higher muscle mass in midlife have a significantly lower risk of developing dementia later in life. Muscle tissue helps to buffer the effects of aging by reducing inflammation, improving metabolic health, and supporting the brain through the release of neuroprotective factors like BDNF. Moreover, higher muscle mass is associated with better physical function, which means you're more likely to stay active and engaged in life as you age. Physical activity keeps your brain sharp by stimulating new neural connections and promoting brain plasticity. In contrast, losing muscle mass increases the risk of frailty, immobility, and cognitive decline. Essentially, the strength and endurance of your muscles are directly linked to the longevity and health of your brain. By making muscle growth a priority, you're not only investing in your physical health, but also protecting your brain from the ravages of dementia. Whether you're lifting weights, going for a run, or simply staying active throughout the day, every bit of muscle you gain serves as a protective shield for your cognitive function. Your muscles are more than just tools for physical strength. They're your body's defense system against aging and cognitive decline. Through consistent exercise, proper nutrition, and focus on building muscle, you significantly reduce your risk of developing dementia while improving both your body and mind. In conclusion, dementia. Risk factors include age, genetics, lifestyle choices, and environmental influences, as well as poor cardiovascular health and physical inactivity significantly contribute to cognitive decline. As we have seen, muscle mass plays a crucial role in mitigating these risks. Muscles are not merely for movement. They are metabolic powerhouses that enhance cardiovascular health and improve insulin sensitivity. This dual action not only fosters better blood circulation, but also reduces the risk of diabetes, an essential factor in dementia prevention. Moreover, muscle tissue releases beneficial myokines, including brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports neuron growth and cognitive function. By engaging in a balanced routine of resistance training, cardio, and regular walking, individuals can significantly bolster their muscle mass. This proactive approach is a vital investment in both physical and brain health, helping to protect against the onset of dementia and maintain cognitive resilience. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.